Hello, today in this video we will learn how to insert drop-down value into database using jQuery Ajax. Go to VS Editor and here we write first one drop-down form. So here the form ID is my form and method is post, and drop-down ID is drop-down and drop-down name is value, and here three drop-down value PHP for Tech, Java and Node.js, and here one submit button, the ID is save button. Now first write the jQuery Ajax code. After form, start and end skip tag. Write $document dot ready function dollar double quotation open copy form ID my form has my form dot submit function event dot prevent default. Here prevent the default form submission. Prevent now next get the form data var form data equal to dollar this dot serialize. Next, send the form data to the server using Ajax. Dollar dot Ajax, write URL. Here this space is empty to post the same page, comma method post, comma data form data success function response. Now display a JavaScript alert for success. Alert value saved successfully. Semicolon and comma. Now error function status error. Now handle errors if need. Alert error error. Semicolon semicolon and semicolon. Now write PHP code for insert the data. First, include the database connection from config.php file, and last one is close the database connection if needed. Now write initialize response message $response message equal to blank semicolon. Next, handle form submission if $_server double quotation request underscore method to post curly bracket $selected value equal to $_post, and here pass drop down name is value. Copy the value and double quotation and pass the value in semicolon. Now next, SQL query to insert the value into database table. $SQL equal to insert into my table name is drop, copy, pass here. First value is the table column name. Values copy this variable selected value and double single quotation and pass the value here. Save. Next, if condition, if my SQLi query $con $SQL. Now print the response message. Copy this variable, pass response message equal to value saved successfully. Else copy this response message, paste here equal to error double quotation error dot $SQL dot double quotation br tag dot mysqli underscore error $connection semicolon and save. Go to browser and reload the page. First input or insert Java and save. With the error I pass the data is from data and variable select the for data. So change the from and save. Reload the page, console, no error find, and first insert the PHP for tag and save. Value save successfully. Okay, go to database and browse. PHP for tag insert. Same as reload the page and Node.js and save. Browse Node.js value is insert and Java and save. And go to browser and the Java value is insert. This way you can insert drop down value into database using jQuery, Ajax and PHP. Thank you.